headlines. Government releases 5 clauses to acquire Indian citizenship. And victims of negligence in administration are ordinary people, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Amid the raging protests across the country, including scores of violent incidents against the Citizenship Amendment Act, the Union Home Ministry yesterday released the 5 clauses under the Citizenship Act to acquire Indian citizenship, a media report said today. According to the Citizenship Act 1955, under the first clause, citizenship by birth under Article 5 of the Constitution provides that any person who was domiciled in India on January 26, 1950 or who was born in the territory of India is a citizen of India, the notification said. Anyone either of whose parents was born in the territory of India or any person born in India or on or after January 26, 1950 but before July 1, 1987 is a citizen of India by birth, said the government's notification. Any person born in India between July 1, 1987 and December 3, 2004 and either of whose parents is a citizen of India is also a citizen of India by birth. For persons born after December 3, 2004, the notification said both whose parents are citizen of India or one of them isn't an illegal immigrant at the time of his birth and the other is a citizen of India shall also be a citizen of India by birth. For the second of citizenship by descent, a person born outside India or on after January 26, 1950 but before December 10, 1992 shall be citizen of India by descent if his father was a citizen of India at the time of birth. A one-day state-level legal awareness program on the implementation of the provisions of the Manipur Lok Ayukta Act 2014 was held today at the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur, Imphal. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in association with the Manipur Lok Ayukta, organized the awareness program. Chairperson of Manipur Lok Ayukta, Justice T. Nandakumar Singh, presided the program. Taking part in the program, Law and Legislative Affairs Minister L. Jayanta Kumar said that Lok Ayukta or Ombudsman, as it is called in the administrative law, is a public officer or institution whose function is to investigate the grievances raised by the citizens regarding maladministration of the government authorities. He further said that ordinary people are the victims of the negligence in public administration or wrong policy of the government or corruption by the government officials. To maintain the spirit of democracy, there ought to be an institution to oversee if proper policies are adopted. Minister Jayanta Kumar further stressed on the importance of commissioning of Lok Ayukta under the Lokpal and Lok Ayukta Act 2013 in Manipur, which will materialize the real meaning of the democracy.
Ombudsman protects individuals from the injustice and today by any of the 3 organs of the government: legislative, executive and judiciary. The rule of law we should maintain and we should forget no one is above law. Corruption, as everybody knows, creates a sense of bitter feeling to everybody that keeps them at a distance from the decision makers. And this distance makes them feel abandoned or sometimes even rejected, and they eventually lost interest in public matters.
A combined team of Tengnoupal District Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border and Forest Department destroyed a 55-acre illegal poppy plantation at the hill range of Aimol village in Tengnoupal district yesterday. Reportedly, the total yield is estimated to be around 550 kilograms of opium, which is around rupees 3 crore and 85 lakhs. A case has been registered at Tengnoupal police station for further investigation, a police report said. Representatives of different communities and religious leaders in Moreh celebrated advanced Christmas at Moreh police station yesterday. 43 Assam Rifles, Moreh police and several local residents also joined the celebration. Moray Small Town Committee and Moray Pasture Fellowship jointly organized the event under the sponsorship of Autonomous District Council, Chandel. 43 Assam Rifles Commandant Sumit Sood, Moray Police SDPO L. Meghavarna and member of ADC Chandel, Chineva Haukip also attended the program. Time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Kunjabati Kids Foundation. Admission open for classes pre-nursery to class 2. Facilities available. Daycare open. Van services. Art education classes. Sport painting. Field visit study. Audio video classes. Smart classes, etc. Pre-nursery Satro Singi Oina Chahiyama. Pencil, eraser, amadi notebook lem na pijagani. Amadi mama mapa lejadraba ngang singi damakta lem na mahi tambagi kudom chabsu pijari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Kunjabati Kids Foundation. Kongba Bajar Thong Macha. Kagi contact number 700-5447154 natraga 9856703533. Lengsin biro. Hangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding gi supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributors oizari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Anti-Nutrition Store Iron Gym, Singzamai Sapam Laikai near Singzamai Parking. Contact us at 730-86-92560.
Takshila Institute. Admission open. Courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban M College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tawhanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Kaithil Manbi Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South celebrated Advent Christmas with the inmates of an orphanage run by Ima Foundation yesterday. Zonal President Assam Rifles Wives Association Shubhra Kaptial along with members of ARWWA visited EMA Foundation and extended warm Christmas greetings to the children. They even started with an interactive session with all the children at Ima Foundation, followed by a small cultural program organized by the inmates. ARWWA presented gift item to Ima Foundation and the program concluded with a Christmas cake cutting. On completing 50 years of existence of a Baptist church located at the remote village of Laibi in Tengnopo district, a new church building was inaugurated yesterday. At the function, President of Maring Naga Baptist Association, Reverend D. Morung, unfurled the Golden Jubilee flag, while Chairman of Laibi Kul T.H. Anga unveiled a memorial stone which was erected to mark the Golden Jubilee of the church. Church members from different villages, local MLA D. Korungthang and members of Autonomous District Council Chandel were present at the occasion. Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland KG Kenie has resigned from the post of Secretary General of Naga People's Front yesterday. His resignation came a day after he was issued a show cause notice by the NPF Disciplinary Action Committee for voting in favor of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Parliament. Kenie said it was a matter of prestige and image within his party and hence he had tendered his resignation from the post. However, he added that he had not resigned from the party. In a letter addressed to the NPF president, Kenie stated that in the face of being served the show cause notice by the party's Disciplinary Action Committee, which he had received on the night of December 19, he has tendered his resignation from the post of Secretary General. Kenie has clarified that he had voted in favor of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 as it granted exemption to Nagaland under provision of Inner Line Permit under Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873. Indian and Chinese representatives will meet in Delhi today to discuss the international boundary between the two countries. This will be the 22nd round of special representative level Indo-China border talks and the first interaction since an informal summit between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Chinese counterpart President Xi Jinping in Chennai earlier this year. The Indian delegation will be led by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and the Chinese side by Foreign Minister Wang Yi. 10 people have been arrested in connection with the violence in Daryaganj in Old Delhi during a protest against the new citizenship law the morning after 40 people were detained and leading to massive crowd build-up outside the police station demanding their release. At least 8 among the 40 people detained last night were minors. According to media reports, some of the minors were released in the early hours today. The protesters had been taken into custody after the agitation turned violent and a private car parked at Subhash Marg right outside the office of the DCP was set ablaze. The Delhi police resorted to lathi charge and used water cannons to disperse the protesters, resulting in injuries. Police, however, denied baton charging the protesters and using tear gas, saying they used mild force and water cannon. Time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance Service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Adom gi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mi painingai oidre. Subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba Vadlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantripukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open. Timing 7 AM to 4 PM. Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra, Imphal, recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra, Imphal.
Welcome back. North Korea lashed back at the United States for taking issue with its human rights record today, saying Washington's malicious words would have aggravated tensions on the Korean peninsula, according to media reports. The United Nations General Assembly on Wednesday last condemned North Korea's long-standing and ongoing violations of human rights in an annual resolution sponsored by dozens of countries, including the United States, that Pyongyang's UN envoy rejected. A bill has been introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives to promote the legacy of father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Introducing the bill, America's legendary civil rights leader Congressman John Lewis sought a budgetary allocation of $150 million for the next 5 years, which is $30 million every year. The House Bill H.R. 5517, which has also been moved to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, affirms the friendship between India and the US and honors the contributions of Gandhi and King. The bill also proposes establishing a Gandhi King Development Foundation, which will be created by the USAID under the Indian laws. Now the sports news. At the ongoing first Audacious Cup 7-a-side Village Open Football Tournament 2019 at Yaripog Ningthonai Playground, BFFY Bishnu Naha defeated Pioneer FC Angtha by 1-0 in the first semi-final match played yesterday. Jack FC Angtha will clash with CYCO Changam Dabi today in the second final match of the tournament. FC Kagalung New Alipur lifted the championship trophy of 17th Radhamani Memorial First Division Football League Tournament 2019, organized by All Jiribam Sports Association at Jiribam Higher Secondary School. In the final match of the tournament played yesterday, FC Kagalung defeated PFC Faitol by 2-1. Former world champion weightlifter Saiko Mirabai Chanu notched up the women's 49 kg category gold medal to open India's account at the 6th Qatar International Cup in Doha yesterday. The 25-year-old Chanu won gold with an effort of 194 kg in the Olympic qualifying silver level event, the points from which will come in handy when the final rankings for 2020 Tokyo Olympics cut are done. The 2018 Commonwealth Games gold medalist Indian managed to register only one clean lift in both the snatched and clean and jerk categories. She managed to lift 83 kg in her second attempt in snatch event, but then failed to clear 87 kg in her final try. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Assembly stands by integrity, says no to Territorial Council. House reaffirms resolution to get Article 3 amended. Government releases question and answer on NRC. To identify genuine voters, Chief Minister stretches on house number authorization. Rep accused convicted after 21 years. The People's Chronicle. House reaffirms stand to protect territorial integrity. NPF reps party MPs for backing CAB. Anti-CAA protests continue. Police excesses flayed. Imphal Free Press. House reaffirms resolution to protect state's integrity, sans discussion. 6 dead as anti-CAA protests turn violent across Uttar Pradesh. Ministerial team of Manipur, Nagaland to meet on Tungjoy border tension. The Morning Bell. Centre has not disclosed details about Indo-Naga peace talk to state government, says Chief Minister. Committee on Tungjoy village land dispute to meet Nagaland team tomorrow, says Chief Minister. House reaffirms stand seeking amendment of Article 3. Details of FA Pact. Manipuri minor girl rescued, accused arrested. Petrol nil signs greet at oil stations despite minister's words. Black market flourishes. Manipur Mail. Centre asked to give details of framework agreement. States consent must to reorganize states. Assembly resolves. West Bengal. No NRC, no CAB. Meet on December 23. Over 150 arrested. CAA protests.
Now the top news headlines once again. Government releases 5 clauses to acquire Indian citizenship. And victims of negligence in administration are ordinary people, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.